This will send shivers down your entire body. The people you try the hardest to please, those exact same people respect you the least. Yes, this habit of yours is making you psychologically weak. Imagine this. You have given so much in your life. To your children, to your partner, to your colleagues at work. You always thought that people would value your love. But the reality is something else entirely. The more you give, the more people take and walk away. And in return, silence, indifference, or that toxic habit we mistake for respect. Psychologist Robert Cialdini calls it the psychological posture of weakness. And today, I am going to show you the signs with which you are trampling on your own dignity. This video is especially for those who have reached that point in life where they are exhausted but still keep trying to meet the expectations of others. If you want to be listened to, for your presence to be felt, these are the things you need to stop doing immediately. Stop trying to prove you are right, especially when you are wrong. In psychology, this is called defensive behavior. When you argue pointlessly, your brain switches into self-protection mode. But remember, when you try to prove you are right, you are actually proving that you are weak. Truly confident people do not lose their posture, even when they apologize. Stop sacrificing your solitude for others. Many adults make this mistake and waste their precious time trying to be liked. When you feel forced to respond to every invitation, every message, every phone call, you are teaching people that your value only exists when you are available. Learn to say a simple no and watch how people start to value you. Stop making others your emotional anchor in every crisis. Yes, this might shake you, but the truth is that when you cry in public over every small pain, curse at every traffic light, shout at every task, you are losing your seriousness. Emotionally stable people seem more respectable, but different cultures define this differently. In some societies, emotional expression is seen as strength. In others, as weakness. The key is that you know when to speak and when to stay silent. Learn to control your emotions, but do not turn yourself into stone. Stop the psychological blackmail of everything I did for you. This is the most toxic habit. When you remind people of what you did for them, you are telling them that your love is a debt, and no free person respects a debtor. Psychologist Gustave Le Bon said, "Respect is born where there is little complaint and much action. Do good in silence, and you will see how people come towards you on their own." And the most important thing of all, staying silent in every situation is not wisdom, because untimely silence is also weakness. When you should speak, set your boundaries, claim your rights. Silence makes you even smaller. True strength is knowing when to stay silent and when to raise your voice. When someone puts you down for no reason, do not get into arguments. Say one clear, firm sentence and end the conversation. But when it comes to your dignity or your rights, silence there is betrayal. The wise person is the one who reads the situation. Until now, you might have thought that respect comes from love. But now you know, respect is earned by the one who does not diminish themselves, who can speak when necessary and stay silent when it is not. Your time is your wealth. Your wisdom is your crown. Now ask yourself, Which single habit will I give up today so that people value me? Share your answer with the community. And if this video touched your heart, subscribe to the channel and send it to that friend who is still losing their dignity just to please others. Let's see who shares it first.